Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make a quick and easy turmeric tea. This tea is so good for boosting your immune system. It will also help you to fight cold and flu. Continue watching to find out how I make this wonderful tea. I'll be using lemon for this tea. I've already washed the lemon. I'll be using a peeler to peel the lemon. By peeling the lemon, make sure that you do not include the white part of the lemon because it will make this drink to be bitter. Always make sure that you wash your ginger. I've already washed my ginger. I will peel the ginger. This is optional. You can leave the skin of the ginger if you like. When I'm done peeling the ginger, I'll be using a grater to grate the ginger because I want to get all the nutrient and all the liquid from the ginger. Feel free to cut the ginger into smaller pieces. When I'm done grating the ginger, I will set aside. I'll be using turmeric for this. You can cut the turmeric into smaller pieces, but I like to grate the turmeric. Have fresh turmeric, you can also use powdered turmeric. When I'm done grating the turmeric, I'll quickly wash the grater to avoid discoloration. In the pot, I have about 2 cups of water. I'll be adding the grated ginger and turmeric. I'll also add the lemon peel. You can use black pepper or cayenne pepper. Pepper contains a bioactive compound which will help to enhance the effect of the turmeric. I'll be adding a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Cover the pot and allow to simmer for about 7 minutes. After about 7 minutes, the tea is ready. I will strain to get the liquid. We adding lemon, which I've already cut into half. I will squeeze in some lemon juice into the tea. Lemon is very high in vitamin C, which will help to improve or boost our immune system. You mix to combine. You can store this in a jar and keep in the fridge if you are not drinking it, or if you are drinking it at the moment, you can add honey and drink while still hot. Always make sure that you drink the tea while still warm. Adding coconut oil to this tea is a great way to improve digestion, facilitate better absorption of vitamins and minerals in this drink, and also help to eliminate any harmful bacteria that is present in your digestive tract till the coconut oil have dissolved into the tea. You can see that the coconut oil have melted. I'll be enjoying the tea. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.